Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this Jinri 1875 watts Salon dryer. The box already looks really good and it says that it dries hair up to 50% faster. This is especially due to two facts. First thing, it has the infrared ray, which is a really good new technology, and it has the IONIC technology, which also helps to dry hair really fast. And yeah, so that's really good so far. The good thing as well, it has independent heat and speed regulator, so that's also a really good and important thing, and it comes with a 2-year warranty offered by SOLON. That's absolutely awesome. Okay, so let's see what's in the box of this professional hair dryer. So let's try this. It has a lot of accessories. You have to be careful when you take it out of the box. There's also an instruction. So that's the dryer. It is very well protected even inside the box, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. Do you see this matte finish? That looks absolutely professional. This is really good, so it is easy to hold, and here you see the different buttons for the speed and for the temperature. That's absolutely important that you have different buttons, so sometimes they are combined into one switch, and that's not good. And additionally, you have the cool button, which is also awesome. And here you can remove this hair filter. That's also a good thing and important, and usually extends the life when you can properly clean it. Here we have first accessory, second thing, and of course really important, this thing. Okay, I hope you can see that. Pretty cool stuff. And it comes with this secure thing. I mean, that's a really good thing. So you want to be safe, and if you want to be safe, you have to use such a thing which cuts the electricity in case of you touch any water or something like that. So we quickly check the instructions. It's not too much, it's quite easy. So we see the dryer with all the attachments, accessories. It has an IONIC LED light. It has the integrated infrared light, the cold shut button, temperature settings regulator, the speed setting regulator, and it has a 9-feet cord. That's really good, that it's not too short, and a grill release and a hanging hook on the back, which can help. The accessories, that's a styling pick, a concentrator to concentrate the airflow, and a finger diffuser. So here we have detailed instructions to all the switches and possibilities, and here we have a description about the accessories, and of course a description about the immersion shock protection safety plug. So it's not too difficult. That's the good thing. Here you have some service instructions, maintenance instructions, everything in a quick small manual. So this is everything what you get, and I have to say this is really a beautiful hair dryer, one of the most beautiful ones I've ever seen. Looks really professional, and it comes for such a cheap price. So, but of course we want to see if it really works and how it works. So let's do that. So I've plugged it in now and it's ready to run. Actually, I've already tried it, and the good thing is it's not getting really loud. So it's really a professional thing. So usually cheap dryers, they get really loud, and this one, even on the high settings, it's not really loud. Of course it's really close to the camera, so it seemed to be a little bit loud, but it's not. So it has the low power setting. You see, when we go low heat and low power, it does not show any color here. And based on my experience now, it means it's only cold air. When you do the medium or the low power and the medium, you will have a really comfortable drying. It is really low power, I mean also low noise, and it's absolutely really comfortable heat. Not much heat, but it's enough heat to dry. So we're trying that too, low and medium. So you see the light now, but you can hold your hand here and it's not getting really hot. You see? I can still hold my hand here. If it would be really hot, I couldn't hold my hand here. This is really comfortable. So with high, of course, I won't be able to hold my hand here for a long time. It doesn't matter if I use low setting or high setting. It's really a lot of heat. So I think I will use a lot of this medium setting because this is really comfortable. This is a really nice heat which doesn't dry out the hair too much and won't cause any damage. That's really important. I love this setting. So again, this is really important that you have two buttons where you can select the power, and one with the power and one for the heat. That's really good. So again, low and high. So now we have seen all the settings, and with this airflow concentrator, of course, the airflow will be a little bit stronger, so there's nothing to screw, just push it in, and it has a really firm hold. It doesn't fall apart. So yeah, that is it for now. And also the good thing, when I touch it now, it's not really hot, it's really comfortable. And yeah, so far it seems to be a really good hair dryer. I will of course try it out and let you know later on in the description. Maybe I will do a second video about this because I really like it and I want you to be updated about the whole thing. So yeah, so for my full recommendation, and if you wanna like to order it, I'll provide the description or the link to the Amazon page where you can order directly the thing. And if you have any questions, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.